Vechain at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a breakdown move after a substantial breakout move to the upper side in a move that gave us a high above the 0.034 mark. And at the time of this recording, we have now lost a horizontal line of support above the 0.02497, flipping it back into resistance. We are also holding within a Fibonacci key area of support between the 0.02131 and the 0.02586. And on today's update video, I will be discussing a negative structure that is playing out over here from the highs we made above the 0.034. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And from the highs we made above the 0.34, I believe that we first saw this initial pullback in the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that second wave. And I will be showing you that the second wave did the minimums. And whatever is unfolding over here is the formation of that wave 3 before we can get the formation of that wave 4. And then finally see the formation of that wave 5, fully completing that 5 wave structure to the lower side. And to just show you that the second wave did the minimums, I will be connecting the Fibonacci's from the highs we made in the formation of that wave 1 to the low of that wave 1. And the area that I was paying attention to was between the fib level 0.78 and the fib level 0.5. And that is between the 0.03249 and the 0.03039. An area that we fully maximized, got rejected within that area. And I believe that whatever is playing out over here is the formation of the wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of the wave 2. And on so doing, the first target area that I have been paying attention to was the fib ratios 1:1, and that lies above the 0.02403, an area that we fully maximized in a move that gave us a low below the 0.023. And there's a very high chance that the low is in, and the bounce that we got over the weekend was the formation of that wave 4 to the upper side over here, though that movement is a little bit shallow. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the highs we made in the formation of that second wave to the low that we have at the moment in the formation of that wave 3, our minimum target area for the wave 4 was between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that is between the 0.027 and the 0.02629, which is that target area over there. So there's a very high chance that we can get one more new bounce into this area over here, get rejected before we can finally see one more new low in the formation of this wave 5 to the lower side. But we need to have in mind that since we are getting a reversal over here, the pullbacks, that is this bounce over here, might be a little bit shallow, and this could be the high for that wave 4. And in the next coming hours, we can easily get a massive breakdown move in the formation of this wave 5, which will get confirmed the moment we lose the significant low we made in the formation of this wave 3 below the 0.023. The moment we lose that significant low, then expect a massive sell-off in the formation of that wave 5 to the lower side, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1, then connecting the fibs to the low of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I will be paying attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.01856. We also need to have in mind that since we got this massive structure over here from the lows we made on the 7th of April, in what now seems to be a clear ABC corrective structure, having this as the wave A, a pullback in a wave B, and then finally saw the formation of that wave C. Using the Fibonacci's, we can be able to get minimum target areas within which we can find support by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows down there to the high of that wave C. and on so doing we can pay attention to the area between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.0259 and the 0.02122, which is the blue target area over here, an area within which we can find support even within the formation of these 5-wave structure and start a reversal to the upper side. But the moment we break out of the blue target area, then I believe that the 5-wave structure will be taking control, and the areas that will be given using the fib extensions will be the areas that we will need to pay attention to. And that is all that I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.